Every great place of learning begins with a simple idea that bright minds reach for the stars and every lesson lights the path to discovery. That idea gave life to Alva's Education Foundation. Through Alva's Central School, Alva's ICSE School, Alva's English Medium School and Kannada Medium and our kindergarten, we now nurture 20,000 plus students on a path where learning begins early and continues for life. Welcome to Alva's. Here, learning is modern but rooted in values. We nurture an environment where structure is balanced with empathy, ensuring that every lesson shapes not only capable minds but caring hearts. Here, children learn to think and to imagine new possibilities. Each day begins together with the morning assembly, bringing everyone into one space, united and ready for learning. In our classrooms, learning is active and full of discovery. Teachers guide gently, helping each child uncover their own unique strengths. We build strong fundamentals from an early stage. Our NEET, JEE foundation courses for grades 6 to 10 and expert-led PUC programs prepare students for higher success. Kindergarten is where curiosity is welcomed, where play and stories begin the journey of learning. Study hours and guided activities follow, helping children focus and build steady, lasting habits. Every month, parents meet with teachers to review progress and remain engaged in their child's journey of learning. To keep attention where it matters, we have separate heads for kindergarten, primary and higher sections. This keeps care close and age appropriate. Dr. Mohan Alva belief guides everything we do. Every school in the foundation reflects this spirit of care and service. With its daily visits and close guidance, each school stays focused on learning and values. Learning does not stop inside a classroom. In our computer labs, children learn to use technology to create and solve problems. Science labs turn questions into experiments and discoveries with well-equipped physics, chemistry, and biology labs that open up real learning. Not just a laboratory, but a launchpad for dreams, the Space Lab transforms wonder into discovery as earthbound minds reach for the stars. AI learning tool helps every child read, speak, and shine, shaping confident communicators for life. The Atal Tinkering Lab is where ideas become models and young makers learn by doing. Abacus and Vedic maths sharpen focus and speed, helping young minds think clearly. We also build strength and balance. The Adventure Club teaches courage and teamwork. It fosters resilience through challenging activities. And our archery sessions help students focus and stay steady. Wellness and counseling, Scouts and Guides and NCC, Army, Navy and Air Force teach discipline and service. Here, a wide variety of sports engage students, keeping their bodies fit and their minds alert. In this way, sports becomes more than a game. They are a preparation ground for life's challenges, instilling confidence and discipline that carry forward beyond the field. Life at school includes care and comfort. Our hostels feel like a second home, safe and nurturing. The entire campus is monitored 24/7 through 5,000 plus CCTV cameras. A wide transport network brings children to school reliably each day. Children train in Mallakamba, building focus and inner strength, and explore their creativity through art. Festivals are shared with joy and pride, moments that bring everyone together. Alva's is more than a group of schools. It is a community built on vision, discipline, and compassion. Children from across the country come here to learn and grow. A small world of friendship, many voices, one family. This is Mini India. At Alva's school, every child finds a place to belong, a reason to dream, and the courage to shine.